It's a beautiful sky out today. Are you alright, man?
Alright, let me know it's running.
It's going.
Oh, thanks for warning.
It's already been.
Yeah. I'm Bill, and this is going to be our nature trail. Here we got a whole lot of nature and a whole lot of me. Let's go. So this is one of my favorite trees. Damn, horse shit, mother.
Are you okay?
Yeah, yeah, I'm good.
What happened?
Good. Yeah, I just got a sting.
You just got stung?
Yeah, I just got a sting.
Wait, are you serious?
Oh, now this is a Pembroke pine. This is a real good tree. Good for fruits, good for fats, good for vitamins. It's good for that kind of shit. All right, let's go. Let's do some more nature. Poke out your whole ass outfit like this. That's bad. It's bad for you. No vitamins there. All right, now butterflies are. Oh my God.
What?
It's a rare earth formation. A crossroads. Woo!
Are you okay?
Cactuses are one of my favorite fruits. Now, the great thing about most fruits and stuff is that they grow right out of the ground, and they can be picked like, oh,
Why do you keep doing this, man? You okay? Alright, let me... I got a kit with me, hold on.
These leaves were brought to America from French Indians, and you can pick one off and eat it. Yes. Oh. Totally good for you. All the antioxidants. Lovely.
Are you sure you should be eating this?
Damn, sir. Well, people who know. I mean, whose nature shows this, huh?
Yours, Bill. It's yours.
That's right, it's mine, buddy.
Alright. Just looking out. Just trying to look out for you.
Now, one of the funnest things to do in nature is climb a tree. I mean, why the hell not?
Be careful, man.
I know how to climb a damn.
Alright, just saying, be careful. You okay?
Watch out, here I come.
Oh man, I forgot to wipe. Just kidding. These are bear droppings. These are droppings from a bear. And usually bears drop this when they have a baby giraffe. They have to take a real bad dump afterwards because it's all coming out of you. Let's see. Still fresh.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
I am the hippo.
And I'm Dealey Amkin. If you want to subscribe, click this button right up here.
And if you'd like to watch more videos, click this button right here.
Or this one.
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 Or this one. Nature trail. Nature trail.
When nature and nature combine, you get super nature. Super nature.
Super nature. Look. Come here. Look at this. Look. It's a circle.
Is that in focus?
Oh my God.
Yo.
Yeah,
It's not too late to turn back around, but I do have a tripod with us.
I'm a tripod. To the trees, to the dentist. To the trees, to the dentist. To the trees, to the dentist, to my foot, to the trees, to the dentist. Now this, I like to shove up my asshole.